Assalamu alaikum, hope you are doing well. For making backdrops, we will need cardboards. These cardboards are used in making cupboards. I need these for my son's birthday, and backdrops are very expensive, so I got an idea of making these from cardboards. So I hired someone to make it for my son's birthday. I wanted a shape like this. You can see it on your screen. So first of all, we have to draw the desired shape on the cardboard. It's 35 centimeter in width and 60 centimeter long. It is slightly curved from one side. Now we will cut the cardboard with power saw. After cutting, it will look like this. This backdrop cannot stand on its own, so we need a stand. So for making stand, we will cut a wood like this, and then we will join these two with nail. The stand look like this, you can see. Then we will attach the stand with nails. The stand will look like this from behind. I also wanted this backdrop. It is made using the same method. I have painted these backdrops with spray paint. Now this is the final look.